Are you struggling with type 2 diabetes and want to hear solutions from someone who also was fighting the disease for over 10 years and was on pills and insulin and now is off of them? Have you considered the best options for investing and ever wondered what the wealthy American puts their money into and why? Have you ever wanted to get into real estate and didn't want to pay the $997 for a program? For answers to these questions and a lot more, you're in the right place. Welcome to Health, Wealth, and Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Ben Y. Tomasian, and I've created this space along with the Health, Wealth, and Realestate.com website because my passion for these three subjects. Health, because I've always felt that we should have a well-rounded knowledge of, because without our health we have nothing. My story began with my diagnosis as a pre-type 2 diabetic over 10 years ago, then became full-on type 2 and wanted to get off of the insulin shots, stabbing my stomach with a needle 3 to 5 times a day, and was losing my personal battle to the disease. And I'm so thankful that I have successfully done so. I haven't taken a single shot or pill for type 2 since April 2019. I also have finally started winning the battle of the bulge after fighting obesity my entire life. Yes, I was a fat baby, toddler, child, and teenager throughout adulthood, and I know it's cliche, but I have really tried every diet out there to lose weight and finally learned what I was doing wrong and hope to help enlighten you as well. Diet companies will never share this information because it works and there's no money to be made from it. Wealth. As a licensed financial professional, I want to share how to maintain and keep what we make, that hard-earned capital, because retirement will come sooner than you think and investments need time to mature. I want to help everyone build wealth, take advantage of what makes sense in the world of investments, and avoid having to go back to work at age 75 when their retirement well of money dries up. People 40 years ago only had to be loyal to one company and get a pension to live off of for the rest of their life. Unfortunately, it hasn't been that way for a long time, and we all need to know how to retire comfortably in safe financial vehicles. We say that people don't plan to fail, they just fail to plan. How can we use the IRS codes the same way the ultra-rich do in order to keep the wealth they've built to last for multi-generations like the Rockefellers or the Kennedys have done? Pay taxes only one time in the beginning, and then it grows tax-free forever after that? Bringing the knowledge of Wall Street to Main Street. My motto is no family left behind, and that includes you and yours. Check out my 4-part series on how banks work, lessons human resources never shared with us about the 401k but should have, and so much more. Statistically speaking, less than 30% of people in the world have a financial education, and that concerns me. I like to share the pros and cons of all investments to keep you informed fully to make the best decisions based on your personal goals and dreams. Share what the typical financial advisor doesn't know or will not tell you, not even for the $2,500 consultation fee they would charge to build what is a retirement plan with too much risk. Nobody should be gambling with their retirement money, and I can't wait to show you how you also do not have to. And last but not least, real estate. My thoughts and experience on how to build a passive income stream to sustain you many years of what I hope is a long, healthy, and fruitful life with the help of this channel. Finding the happy medium between owning too much real estate and that ends up becoming your full-time job. What every aspiring landlord should know about building passive income in real estate before jumping in. Real estate was believed to be the #1 income source for the self-made millionaire in the United States, and my goal in this section is to keep you from making the same huge mistakes and avoid the pitfalls that I experienced personally along the way. This section alone can save you thousands of dollars as well as headaches and stress. Regardless of the subject matter that attracted you here, of these three you choose, if not all of them, you will get the benefits of the information without paying the kind of money I did to acquire it, and spend the many hours reading, listening to seminars, and watching online tutorials, and making mistakes that will keep you up at night and cost you a lot more of your health and hard-earned money. I hope to remain your source of all things health, wealth, and real estate. At any time, you can meet with me one-on-one for a complimentary consultation. Find my calendar link on my website on the Get in Touch page link or on the YouTube channel comment section. If you find value in the information shared here, please send others the link to this YouTube channel as well. All I ask is that you share my channel with others in your circle of family and friends who you also believe will get value from this content. Thank you for your interest and schedule time with me today. Smash that like and subscribe buttons so you never miss a video. And I would love to hear in the comments or direct message to me what videos you are interested in seeing in the future and what you've learned from this content as well. Have the best day.